So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in proxy settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, make sure that you do not have a proxy server enabled. So you're going to turn this off. You're going to click on setup. Make sure that you have this off. Now next to user proxy server, you're going to click on setup. Make sure that you have user proxy server also turned off and then click on save. See if that works for you. For the third method, if you're getting this error on a web browser, you just want to reset your web browser settings. Now to do that, once you're on a web browser, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you're going to click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on reset settings. And now you're going to click on restore settings to the original defaults. And then click on reset settings. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the third method, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works for you. For the next method, you just want to disable your antivirus. So if you're using Windows Defender, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows Security. Click on it. Now you're going to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on Manage Settings. You can now turn off full-time protection through here. If you're using a different antivirus, you can try turning that off. But obviously this will come with some risks, so it's up to you if you want to do this or not. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.